So which of the following substances is most likely responsible for formation of yellowish greenish fluid in the abscess drain? Right. So also this is also a pretty simple question. Like you can easily rule out all of the other options. I mean, you don't need to rule out any of the options, but if you had to, you could rule out all the other options. So phylococcal coagulase. Coagulase helps, basically what it does is it converts fibrinogen to fibrin, right? And it basically helps develop like a wall around the abscess. So obviously not going to be something that is in the yellowish greenish fluid, right? Major basic protein, right? Yeah. Also, I would like to talk about major basic protein because it comes up in exams and we're not actually taught about it अच्छे से. So major basic protein is, it plays a role against defense against helminths and other worms in general. Okay, and it is contained within eosinophils. Right. So what happens is that when a parasite, it comes in the body, it is first covered by your antibodies. Okay. Right. Antibodies trigger the release of enzymes from the eosinophils. They activate the eosinophils, and there is release of major basic protein and reactive oxygen species that destroy the platelets. This mechanism is called as antibody-dependent cytotoxic killing. Okay, and they'll ask you if a major basic protein plays a role in antibody-dependent cytotoxic killing. And unless you know this entire process, you just don't get the correct answer. So I know this was a little off topic, but since we're talking about major basic protein, I would. So major basic protein, as we just discussed, not in an abscess, right? Lipotecoic acid. This is literally a component of bacterial cell wall, and that is not going to be responsible for formation of the, yellowish greenish fluid in the abscess, right? Lactic acid. क्या बोलूं मैं lactic acid का? Yeah, it is nowhere related. Okay, it might be elevated in hypoxia, but it has nothing to do in necrosis. All right, and lysosomal enzymes. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple, right? So anytime there is, subperiod of necrosis that happens due to the lysosomal enzymes digesting and destroying the cell walls, the cell membranes, the cytoplasm, everything. Lysosomal enzymes are the main things that basically cause your necrosis, right?
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.